Welcome to the first episode of Tuesday Night Taste Test of Big Lee's Corner. I'm joined by Garfield the Weasel, and I'm joined by Jacob Klein's of Feline Twins, Susan the Devil, joined by Baby Girl, joined by, I guess, that's Princess. Yeah, that's Princess. Sometimes I get her mixed up with the Angel, the mosquito cat. But anyway, the whole point is doing the taste test of this. I don't know if that's a beer, what kind of liquor it actually is, but I just seen it at the Wine Tree at the corner of Weinbach Avenue and Washington Street, Washington Avenue, where the hell I call it. Anyway, point is, I seen them at Wine Tree, and I was too broke to get them then, but then I got them today, which is actually Friday the 2nd. Friday, February the 2nd. And I'm not joined by Clyde the Chihuahua. If you didn't see the last episode, this is still Friday night. He's still at the Humane Society, recovering from his operation. So that way I won't have a bunch of little Clydes running around in case he knocks up Princess too much. But anyway, it ain't about the kitty cats. It's about the liquor. And goddamn it, these aren't twist-off caps. Which, by the way, I think it's an awesome cap design. And I'm definitely keeping these bottles after I empty them. Alright, I'm back in a few seconds. Let me pop these caps off. Alright, caps are off. I might regret getting 2 of these. Then again, no, there goes nothing. Hold on, Garfield the Weasel, being the only male cat in the house tonight, wanted to tip the laptop over. Here, Weasel, you want to play with these caps? Here you go. So far, not too good, but not too bad either. But that's just a little taste right now. Sylvia's joining me. Unlucky 13, Lucky 13, whatever the hell you want to call her. Kind of lucky because she wasn't adopted by a cruel son of a bitch. Oh, wait. That's kind of how she is unlucky because I am a cruel son of a bitch. Just not to the kitties. Must be drinking too much and I'm convincing myself I'm Ian Noah Sane, but I'm not Ian Noah Sane. Ian Noah Sane wears a Hannibal mask. But Ian Noah Sane don't believe in torturing animals, but he believes in torturing people that torture animals. Alright. Kind of tastes horrible. I knew I would regret getting 2 of these, but then again, I'd be too drunk to give a damn that I'm drinking another one. And now Midnight Shadows wanting to play with the camera. And the laptop, whatever the fuck I call this thing. Might be a better idea not to have 3 meals before this. Have Subway, McDonald's, and Rick's 718 bar. And by the way, whether Midnight Shadow likes it or not, she's gonna get a few more seconds of fame. Have fun. Anyway, halfway through. Now time to finish off the other zombie dust. If I can. Even if it kills me, I will finish this. I spent my money on this crap, I'm going to try to finish it. Well, at least Midnight Shadow's bothering me on the couch this time and not bothering the computer. Oh, fuck. I better make this all the liquor because I got to pick up Clyde at 7:30 in the morning. By the way, these taste tests, Tuesday night taste tests, as soon as I get my title correct, none of them will actually be taking place on Tuesday. They're just going to be posted on Tuesday, every Tuesday at 5:30 p.m. Because in reality, on Tuesday nights, I'm drinking my goddamn King Cobra while watching world famous flea market wrestling. Well, at least every week they upload an episode. It just all goes together for me. Oh, fuck. Fuck. I knew I wasn't really going to like this taste. Goddamn. Feel like it's going to shoot out of me. And unfortunately, these 10 kitty cats, 11 kitty cats, aren't going to have anybody take care of them if I explode. Because my roommate's with a boyfriend for the next 3 days as usual. But no, I'm fine. And I finished my goddamn beer or malt or whatever the fuck it is. There's my other one. Anyway, that's all for this episode of Big Lee's Corner. I'll try to have a nice day. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more.